In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Huddles on Slack. Whether you're managing a remote team or simply collaborating with colleagues from around the world, Slack's Huddles provide an easy and efficient way to connect in real time without the need for a formal video call. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this feature. Huddles are audio-only calls within Slack that allow you to have quick, spontaneous conversations. To get started, open your Slack workspace and head to the channel or direct message where you'd like to initiate a huddle. Look for the headphones icon in the bottom left corner of your Slack window. Give it a click, and just like that, you've started a huddle. You'll notice a small window pop up in the bottom left, showing you the current participants as others join. If you're worried about disturbing anyone, no need to fret. Huddles are designed to be casual and drop in. This means that any member of the channel or direct message can join the conversation at any time. It's perfect for those quick brainstorming sessions or when you need to get an immediate response about a pressing issue. As soon as you're in a huddle, you might want to share your screen to help explain your point or collaborate on a document. Simply click on the screen icon within the Huddle window to start sharing your screen. This feature is great for showing data from a spreadsheet, quickly running through a presentation, or just guiding teammates through complex instructions. Remember, huddles are audio first, so keep in mind the primary focus is on verbal communication. Another nifty aspect of huddles is the ability to elevate the conversation without leaving the channel or message thread. If you ever feel like your discussion deserves a broader audience, you can keep the huddle public or make it private if needed. It's an excellent way to maintain fluidity and adaptability in your conversations, allowing everyone to stay on the same page. When you're ready to wrap up, simply hit the End button to close the huddle. It's as simple as that. You're not locking anyone into a lengthy meeting, which makes huddles ideal for spontaneous, productive chats that don't overstay their welcome. As an added bonus, because huddles don't rely on video, you can join them from anywhere, whether you're at your desk or stepping out for a coffee. That's it for today's guide on using huddles on Slack. With these insights, you're now ready to make the most out of this flexible, real-time collaboration tool. Whether it's for quick check-ins or detailed discussions, huddles empower your team to stay connected and keep things moving efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your team's workflow.